So if you want to get this widget up here, it's called sub widget. It's a widget that lets you see your YouTube subscribers, your total subscribers. I found this widget in the App Store the other day. So all you want to do is go to the App Store on your iPhone. Let it load up. If it'll load up for me. Let me do it again. To the App Store. Let me put my phone on Wi-Fi real quick so we can get it loaded up real fast. Okay. Then you want to type in sub widget. Boom. Let that load up, and you want to get this widget right here. This is the one that I have. You want to download this widget, and you can have the total subscriber count on your home screen like I have on my home screen. So I just wanted to show you that quick tip real quick.